it's Jess. Welcome back for another unboxing video. Today we're unwrapping day 9 of our Sallie Tomato Co Box. So the outside of this sweet package says, "Darling, you will love this. Save for day 11." So this is part of the project that you'll receive on day 11. So let's open it up and then you'll hang tight to this until the project reveal. So of course we had to give you some robin egg colored fabric. You already received some robin egg cork fabric. This is our legacy faux leather in robin egg, and wow, it is so beautiful. I just love this texture and it's such a unique, stunning color. I think you'll enjoy the project that you'll receive on day 11, but if you decide not to make that project, you could certainly save this piece for another project since it is a nice size piece to work with. Normally you don't need a whole lot of faux leather for projects if you're using it for straps or contrast, and a little bit goes a long way. So we'll see you tomorrow to open up day 10.